Weigel. She is also a wildlife biologist. Her passion is desert tortoise. And of course, yeah, she always has a desert tortoise with her. Carol is also a docent. And she's an education staff educator. So she's a super busy lady. And another one of her passions is birds. And I know you're going to have a fabulous morning listening to Carol. She will let you know when she's going to give us a bio break, in case I forget. But please, just enjoy this. Carol's got a wonderful way of presenting. So thank you, Carol.
Thank you, Chantal. First of all, can people in the back hear my voice? Yes. All right, fantastic, because I'm not that comfortable with microphones and I move too much and they can't keep up with me. And I gesture with my hands, and I was watching myself present this from a year